मंथ्स इन्वेस्ट करके एक पिच डेक बनाया, फिर भी सारे इन्वेस्टर्स ने घोस्ट किया। In this video, I'll give you the exact 10 slide pitch deck structure that helped me raise a $5 million valuation now. The first slide is the cover slide. ये सबसे simple है. Put your logo in the middle and a tagline below it which exactly explains what your business does in less than 5 to 7 words. Don't try to be clever, try to be creative. Investors see thousands of decks every day. Make it instantly obvious what your company does. Slide 2, the problem. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा गड़बड़ होती है. If you cannot explain the problem that you are solving in a single powerful statement, you need to look into it more. The best problem slides make investors relate to it immediately. And if you absolutely need more than one statement, here's the rule. 3 points rakho in your priority order and quantifiable. Slide 3, the solution. This is where I made my biggest mistake. I listed down all the features that we wanted to build or we had already built because I thought more features meant more value, but I was wrong. Investors don't care about the features you want to build. They care about the transformation जो आप आपके customer की life में ला रहे हो. So focus on the vision and the value that your product creates. अगर features लिखने ही है, top 2 और 3 features लिखो, बाकी का सारा appendix में डालो. Slide 4, market size. This is where the investors will decide अगर आपका business एक $1 billion company हो सकता है. You'll have to show both top-down and bottom-up calculations. Top-down is when we consider the entire industry and calculate downwards. For example, अगर global CRM market $50 billion का है and you can practically acquire 1% of it, then your business has $500 million of potential. Bottom up is where we consider our unit economics and calculate upwards. For example, अगर आपका average ticket size $10,000 का है and there are 500,000 companies who could potentially be your customers, you have a $5 billion potential. Now here's the catch. The top down and bottom up calculations should match reasonably. अगर नहीं होंगे, investors को immediately पता लग जाएगा कि you have not done your homework. Slide 5, business model. Simply put, this is how you're gonna make money. I've seen founders make the mistake of listing down all the revenue streams in a single slide, but that scares off investors. उनको ऐसा लगेगा you don't have focus on your primary revenue stream. Use this slide to prove that your primary revenue stream is extremely strong to be backed by the others. अगर आपने figure out कर लिया दूसरे revenue streams, बाकी सारों को appendix में रखो. Slide 6, traction. This is the proof that people actually want your product and are willing to pay for it. Skip vague validations like we have surveyed 100 people and 90% of them say they would use our product. Skip testimonials too, unless बहुत ही credible source से आपके पास आए हो. Use real tangible KPIs which matter in your industry. For example, अगर आप एक B2B SaaS company बना रहे हो, use things like monthly recurring revenue and number of paid customers. If you are into consumer tech, use things like daily average users, retention rates, and engagement metrics. Slide 7, competition. Please don't make the mistake of creating that cliche 2x2 metrics where you magically appear on the top right corner to show that you are best at everything. Nahi. Instead, create a proper table where you compare you with your top 3-4 competitors at the metrics that matter to your industry. And here's the catch. जहाँ पे competitors आपको beat कर रहे हैं, वो भी दिखाओ. This honesty will be liked and appreciated by our investors and they'll give you a chance to explain your differentiation strategy. Slide 8, the team. Trust me, this is the most important slide on your deck. 90% of early stage investments founders पे होते हैं rather than the idea. Ideas नए आएंगे, markets evolve होंगे, but great founders will find their way to win. And यहाँ पे humility की कोई जगह नहीं है. If you have achieved anything in your life, it needs to be on this slide. Like anything. कोई अच्छी कंपनी में काम किया हो, कोई रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश किया हो, कोई कंपटीशन जीते हो, एवरीथिंग. और सारे फाउंडर्स के लिए उनके इंडिविजुअल रोल्स अच्छे से मेंशन करना एंड व्हाई दे क्वालिफाई फॉर इट. इफ यू हैव एडवाइजर्स एंड मेंटर्स, मेंशन द मोस्ट इंप्रेसिव वंस. Slide 9, financials. If you are a pre-seed or a seed stage company, this slide is totally optional. Because honestly, everyone knows your numbers are just guesses at this point. But if you want to include, keep it simple. एक 3 साल का projected P&L बनाओ with revenues, growth rates and margins. That's enough. But remember, if you are adding this slide, if you are putting any number on this slide, be ready to answer the most difficult questions you have ever faced in your life. Investors are going to drill you, not because they want to check the numbers are correct or not, because they want to know how you think about them. Slide 10, the ask. Be crystal clear about how much money you are raising. Don't tell investors you are raising between $500,000 to $1 million. Pick a number, and here's a pro tip from my own experience. Ask for 1.5 times of what you think you will need. For example, if you're raising $1 million for 18 months of runway, ask for $1.5 million. Because at this point, 99% of your assumptions are going to be wrong. Your marketing will be costlier, your product development will take longer, and you will even hire slower. And running out of money at this stage is a terrible reason to kill your startup. Also, specify the milestone that this money will help you reach. For example, we are raising $1 million to reach 100,000 users and $50,000 in monthly recurring revenue. But wait, You can have the 10 perfect slides on your deck and still get ignored by investors. Why? Because if your slide looks amateur, investors will think your business is too. Here are 4 rules जिससे investors आपकी deck को actually पूरा पढ़ेंगे rather than just skipping it. Rule 1. फॉन्ट साइज कभी भी 30 पॉइंट से नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए एंड दिस इज टोटली नॉन नेगोशिएबल. आई डोंट केयर अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा कंटेंट हो जो आपको फिट करना है. आई डोंट इवन केयर अगर स्मॉलर फॉन्ट्स ही क्लीन दिख रहा है. नेवर बिलो 30 पॉइंट्स. वी डोंट वांट इन्वेस्टर्स squinting their eyes just to read your brilliance. If they can't read it comfortably, they'll just skip on to the next slide. Rule number 2. Too much text is always a pitch deck killer. अगर आपकी सारी स्लाइड्स अपने मैसेज को एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट में कन्वे नहीं कर सकती, शायद आपने चीज़ों को ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेट करके रखा. Remember, your pitch deck isn't a business plan. It's just a teaser जो investors को excite करेगी to take a meeting with you. Rule number 3, and most founders get this wrong. Your pitch deck should sound like a story, not a Wikipedia article. Each slide should naturally flow into the next one. Problem है तो we have a solution. Solution है तो it will need a market. Market है तो it will need a business model. When an investor reads your pitch deck, they should feel like they have been on a journey, not like they have just read a product manual. Rule number 4. Your deck does not need to be the best design presentation in the entire world. कभी कभी ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइन डेक्स भी रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं और गूगल स्लाइड के प्रेजेंटेशंस भी मिलियंस रेज कर जाते हैं. रियल टेस्ट ये है कि क्या इन्वेस्टर्स आपके बिजनेस को अंडर 3 मिनट्स में समझ सकते हैं थ्रू द डेक दैट यू हैव क्रिएटेड. फॉर टूल्स कीप इट सिंपल. पावरपॉइंट, गूगल स्लाइड्स या फिर कैनवा बेस्ट है. एक टेम्पलेट ले लो, उसके साथ स्टिक रहो और फोकस करो आपके कंटेंट के ऊपर. सो देयर यू हैव इट, द एग्जैक्ट 10 स्लाइड पिच डेक स्ट्रक्चर जिससे मैंने खुद फंडिंग रेज किया. पर वेट, कभी कभी एक परफेक्ट पिच डेक और एक परफेक्ट बिजनेस प्लान के साथ भी जब हम लोग एक इन्वेस्टर मीटिंग में जाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग कोई फ्रॉड कर रहे हैं. ऐसा लगता है जैसे इस इन्वेस्टर रूम में, इस इन्वेस्टर मीटिंग में बैठना हम डिजर्व ही नहीं करते, हम इसके लिए क्वालिफाइड ही नहीं है. आप अकेले नहीं हो. ईच एंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल फाउंडर्स फील द सेम थिंग इन देयर लाइफ. इसके बारे में स्पेसिफिकली मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया जो यहाँ पे जाके आप देख सकते हो. मज़ा आएगा.